Okay, for this experiment, we're going to create a balloon rocket, and we're going to have a rocket race. So you're going to need a balloon, some kind of string, scissors to cut your string, a straw, which I'll show you in just a minute. I've already put that on there, string, and of course tape so that you can tape your balloon to your straw. Now, when air comes out of a balloon, it creates a forward motion that we call thrust. Thrust is a pushing force caused by energy. And in our experiment, this energy is actually wind energy from the air pressure that's built up inside of your balloon. Now, when you do this experiment, you can try different sizes, shapes of a balloon. Will that create more or less thrust? Real rockets actually use thrust is caused by the burning rocket fuel. That blast sound causing the rocket to go up, always in an opposite direction. So some experimental questions I want you to ask yourself is, will the shape affect how far, how fast my balloon goes? Will the straw's length, you can cut your straw and do it with different size lengths. Will that affect how far or fast your rocket goes? Would the type of string affect how far or fast your rocket goes? If we tried fishing line, it's a much thinner, smaller string. Would that change compared to cotton? Now the string that we're going to use is actually cotton, it's yarn. What about the angle of your string? What if you held your string up high and it went down? Or what if you held it down low and you made your rocket go up? What if you made it straight? Would that change how fast or how far? So those are all different questions that you can experiment with your rocket balloon. But we're going to have a race. So Bella, show them your balloon. So you're going to blow your balloon up. Do not tie it. You don't want it to be tied. You want it to be where you can let go so that the air can come out. Kenzie, show yours. This is Kenzie. Hers is going to be the yellow. And Bella's is going to be the green. And here's their straws. We went ahead and put their straws on the string and tied it. Okay, and we have got them angled exactly the same. They're going to be straight across, so we're not testing height of the string, and they're both the same length. Their balloons are the same shape, not the same size, so we're kind of experimenting with that. So I'm going to give them a piece of tape. You're going to tape, don't let go of your balloon. You're going to tape your balloon to your straw. Now look, wait a minute, Bella, stop. The force of the balloon is going to make it go opposite. Remember, you want it to go the opposite direction. So as you see how Bella is taping it, we're actually going to have to push her straw to the other end, because if she were to let go now, then her balloon would actually, I tell you what, y'all are taping the ends. We don't want to tape the ends. Take your tape off. Take your tape off, Bella. We want to put the tape on the actual balloon. Let me show you. Alright, I'm going to flip the camera. You film me. Well, we're going to have to. So the way you want your balloon to be taped to the straw is you can either lay your balloon under the straw, or you can put your balloon on top of the straw. I'm actually going to do it under. Now, do you see the end of my balloon is facing the opposite direction I want my balloon to go? So I'm going to tape my balloon just like that to my straw, and then I'm going to hold the end. Good. Ready for my race. So it's going to look like that. Everybody see? Okay, let me get Bella set up. Bella, bring your straw back down here. Alright, I need, where's my tape? Here we go.
Where do you got tape?
Well, let's get a new piece. Sorry guys, we'll get this figured out. Alright, I want you to hold your balloon. We're going to do yours underneath so we have space. I need you to take the tape from my finger. You're going to lay your tape over the straw and the balloon. Stick it down so the balloon is attached.
hold on.
All right, and hold this in. Okay. On the count of 3, they're going to let go of their balloons, and we're going to have a race. On your mark, get set. I tell you what, let's do a countdown like a rocket ship. We're going to start with 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Bella's
And there you go. Bella's made it first. Her balloon was not as big. Maybe that's because the air pressure was built up more inside. Kenzie's went a lot longer. If the string would have been longer, her balloon would have kept being able to go because she blew hers up bigger. But you can experiment with your rocket balloons and test different theories, like how long the straw is. Does that change how fast and far it goes? What kind of string do you use? Might change it. How you attach your string, whether it's angled up, down, that might change your speed. Just do your own experiments with your rocket balloon. Good job, girls.